I'm Richard Cockswallow, scene of the crime of the scene. I'm here with these two fellas. Fellas, what happened here?
Okay, well, first, we spent all night plotting, planning, and making sure no one was there.
To beat us for the sale.
Yes, because there was
we needed to be first in line.
Yeah, and then when we got here, before we got here, we bought some ski masks.
Because we're going on a ski trip later in the month, and they were on sale, like we said before.
Yeah. So then we climbed into the vents.
We walked right in through the front door.
We went right in the front door. And then we saw the mice eating stuff, and they were just eating a bunch. Yeah, they were stealing.
We came here for some snacks, and they ate all the Toblerones and the pork rinds and the Tim Tams. And the Tim Tams actually remind me of my grandma Boppy. My grandma Boppy came from Australia when she was very young. She flew across the ocean and landed in a continent in Africa. And then she got on some boats with some white men and came to America in the late, 1920s, I think. I'm not exactly sure what the timeline was, but we all learned something from her courage. I'm sorry, what were we just talking about?
And that's our time, guys. Stay tuned for more news. I'm your host, Richard Cockswallow. We'll talk to you soon.
Should we grab this and go?